Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing this Motorola Razr VE20 I picked up on eBay for $7.88 with free shipping. It is untested. I don't think it has a back cover, and I don't think it has a battery either. Just a piece of paper in there. Yeah. So let's go and take a look at it. It does have the blue accents, which I like the blue a lot better than the green that I have on some of the Altel ones I have. So yeah, LCD looks good. If this one doesn't work, we're probably going to do a drop test on it. But I figured I was going to get it, take a look. I think it's a US cellular version. I think they had it posted as. But on the listing, it had a cracked front. Let's see if I can find the picture. Right there on the listing, it has a cracked front, but as you can see, it is not cracked, so that's always nice. But hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.